So here I am sitting in the middle of a bad beard trim. I honestly don't know if I'll ever even show this video to Dan or anybody, and it's because I'm not feeling it right now. Here's what happened. This morning I had a little time and I thought let's go ahead and touch up the beard. It's a constant process when you do have a short beard with things like that. You know you're always seeing things, but you got to know when to mess with it and when not to. Well, anyways, I touched it up. I leveled off my chin, kind of came back a little bit. I did some other things. I was feeling good. Took a shower after, and I got out. And as the day went by, I put my favorite oil in. It just started to feel weird, and this side feels puffy. This side looks lumpy. If I look at my mustache, I went a little weird with that. I don't feel like I got this straight. It doesn't feel good. Definitely right here, these are way too like full of hair compared to the rest of the beard. Anyways, I'm obsessing about this like as we speak. In fact, this like maybe just something that I have for myself so that I don't go back in that bathroom and try to touch it up and fix it right now. What we know is that trying to overcorrect and doing things it's good, but you should give it at least a day. Most times, a pretty significant beard trim, like a two month trim, a 1 month trim for me, is going to be a 2-day or 3-day trim. The reason that I stop right now, this is me putting down the trimmer and saying let it go, you're frustrated, is because I know it's my mindset as much as it is the beard itself. Plus it hasn't had time to sit, I haven't washed it. There's a lot of things there, and if I trimmed it to what I think I need to do right now, I would just keep that slippery slide, and then I would find something else wrong. And you know what that can lead to? And I think a lot of times with short beards, that's what happens is we don't know what to do, and we make a correction, and then a bigger, and then a bigger, and then we lose the beard and start over. So off balance, lumpy, even it feels weird, but I'm not going to mess with it until tomorrow. You cannot touch a beard when you find yourself in this situation, and a lot of us do. Maybe you just found this video, if it ends up being a video. Truly, I don't know. I've never shot a video before without talking to Dan about it first, but if it ends up as a video, watch this video, put it down the clippers, go have a Coca-Cola or something, relax, come back to it tomorrow, reevaluate, and yes, make those touch-ups, but don't mess with it now. You're frustrated, and it's only going to end up in a little bit more frustration. Learn to walk away. Learn to walk away.